Hello everyone, today we will create a matrix from a list in Python. We have a matrix of 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to create a 2 by 2 matrices. For that we will need another list, empty list in which we will store rows and column. We have X as empty list. Now we will traverse along the list A and take the element from list A and put it into list X as a row and column format. Okay, we need a while loop and apply a condition A until it get emptied. Okay, now we need two column in first row, so we will slice the list A and append the element into new list X. Okay, a slicing operation, two elements only. Okay, now the original list left with only 3 and 4 element. For that we will store the sliced list into original list A. Okay, to colon. Now we have obtained our matrices. Let's see what we have in our new list X. Okay, we have created a new matrix of 2 row and 2 column. Now to present it into a matrices format, we will traverse along these elements. Let's apply a for loop for traversing for I in range length of new list. Okay, that is X. Okay, it will traverse along first zeroth element, first element. Okay, now we will need another uh, loop for traverse in list inside the list, that is first and second element, which is inner list in the outer list. Okay, for j in range length of X, but here is the case to remember that it is the length of the inner list, not the outer list. So inner list is X 0th element, X 0. Okay, now print X first row first column. Done. And we will again here apply a print operation to print the next row into next line. Okay, we have our matrices. Now for to put 2 into the same line as 1, we apply another syntax here, and equals to. Now done, we have created a 2 by 2 matrices from original list A. That's all. Thank you.